This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Google account that held the searches. You can't recover another account's history. Once signed in, go to YouTube and open your profile menu, then choose Manage your Google account so you can reach activity controls. Make sure Web and App Activity is enabled. This is the source for saved search records. If it was off at the time of the search, recovery will be limited, so test now to avoid future loss. Next, open Data and Privacy and tap My Activity. That view aggregates YouTube activity. Once there, use the Filter by Date and Product option and select YouTube to narrow results down. You can also type keywords from the deleted search into the search box to surface matching entries fast. Make sure to expand results and check both search and watch sections because some searches are tied to viewed videos. If you see entries, note timestamps and related video links. Finally, when you find the search entries, click the three-dot menu to view details and use those timestamps or video links to reconstruct the search context. Once done, export your activity with Google Takeout to keep a local archive. This prevents future surprises. If you can't find entries, make sure you checked all Google accounts and device-level histories and confirm whether web and app activity was off then. That's the usual reason deletions aren't recoverable. If needed, retry filters or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.